Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the BMW X7 new versus old. Let's dive into the exterior differences first. The newer X7 models showcase a bold, split headlight design and an even more prominent kidney grille, giving it a fresh, modern look. In contrast, the earlier X7 iterations feature a more conventional, single-unit headlight setup. Both designs exude luxury and a commanding presence on the road, but the newer version certainly makes a stronger visual statement. Moving inside, the newer BMW X7 models introduce a stunning curved display, integrating the instrument cluster and infotainment screen with iDrive 8. This offers a more streamlined and technologically advanced cabin. Previous versions, while still luxurious, feature iDrive 7 with a separate screen layout. Both provide excellent comfort and premium materials, but the updated tech in the newer X7 offers a more immersive digital experience for drivers and passengers alike. When it comes to performance, both the new and old BMW X7 deliver impressive power and a refined driving experience. Newer models often incorporate mild hybrid technology, enhancing fuel efficiency and providing a slight boost in acceleration. Older versions, however, still offer potent engine choices that ensure strong performance. Regardless of the generation, you can expect a smooth, comfortable ride and surprisingly agile handling for a vehicle of its size, making long journeys a pleasure. Ultimately, choosing between a new and an older BMW X7 depends on your priorities. The newer models offer cutting-edge technology, updated styling, and potentially better efficiency with mild hybrid systems, but come with a higher price tag. Older X7s still deliver a fantastic luxury SUV experience with strong performance and premium features, often representing significant value. Consider your budget and desired features carefully. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.